In the editor, we have a few options to change what's going to be exported. You can both change the cuts in the clip or edit the caption text. Let's talk about changing the cuts. Here is a chunk of your content, and the highlighted text are what Flowjin has picked to export. You can either clear a highlighted sentence, highlight a new sentence, or clear a whole highlighted paragraph. You can also expand the transcript by clicking on the buttons to the top and the bottom to highlight more relevant sentences. While you're editing, you can always play the video or audio on your left, which is the uninterrupted relevant part in the original content.
I have a lot of stories like this, and this has been pretty cool. I don't think I've ever thought.
The next part is editing the caption if needed. Simply double-click on each word or click on Edit on the bottom right of the screen to get to the text editing mode. Edit any word and click on Done Editing. Also, when you are in the editing mode, you can use the Find and Replace option to edit a word anywhere in this clip at once. Once you're happy with the content, click on Save.